بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Arabic is written from right to left. Most of the letters in Arabic have to be joined together. However, there are 6 letters which cannot be joined onto another letter which comes after it. They are Alif, Dal, Dhal, Ra, Za, and Waw. Let's have a look at some examples. You can see from these examples that no letter can join the Alif after it. In these examples, you can see that no letter can join the Dal after it. You can see here that no letter can join the Dhal after it. These are examples of the Ra, which no letter can join after it. You can see from these examples that no letter can join the Za after it. And here you can see from these examples that no letter can join the Waw after it. Why do we need to know this? Sometimes it gets tricky for a beginner to distinguish the letters in a word. For example, these 2 words look the same. So which one has the Alif? If you know that the Alif is one of those letters that no letter can join after it, then this word cannot have an Alif in it. It is actually a Lam. Therefore, this is the one that has the Alif. If we look at this example, the second letter looks very similar to the Dhal or the Za, but it can't be because the letter is connected. Therefore, it can only be a Noon. Let's look at this example. It's a tricky one. There are 2 letters involved, the Alif and the Lam. So, is it Alif Lam or is it Lam Alif? Well, it can't be Alif Lam because we said the Alif cannot join anything after it. Therefore, it must be Lam Alif. Here is an example. You can see the Lam and the Alif. Practice identifying the letters to get familiar with the language before you proceed to the next lesson.
صدق الله